the Messenger, peace be upon him, bathed because of sexual intercourse. He first washed his hands and then poured water with his right hand on his left hand and washed his private parts. He then performed ablution as is done for prayer. He then took some water and put his fingers and moved them through the roots of his hair. And when he found that these had been properly moistened, he poured 3 handfuls on his head and then poured water over his body and subsequently washed his feet. This hadith is narrated by Abu Quraib, Ibn Numair and others.